California Adventure. This is Chantel, the magical tour guide, and today we are rope dropping racers. I've done videos about this before, but now they have changed, and early entry is not an option at the hotels here. Everybody has the same fair chance. So every day of the week, this is how you want to start your morning. Now, we had to go to the Toy Story bus Toy Story lot, parking lot, and that's where we parked. That's where we went through security. So we are just now getting through the gates at DCA, and it is 7:45. Every minute counts. You can be here before that. That's really what you want to do. But I want you to see what happens when you don't get here by 7:30, because there's going to be a long line, but that's okay. We are here to do racers, and this is the best time to do it, early in the morning. We are right here in front of the Carthay Circle sign. This is all the people ahead of us. This is going to be a long wait, but this is the best time to do racers. Unless if you want to purchase a single pass lightning lane, which means you can skip most of the line, but that's a separate purchase. It's not included with lightning lane. If you want to become a lightning lane pro, I'm going to put a video right up here you can watch. But lightning lane, or you can also do single rider. Single rider is an option, but we're here today with Caitlin, and she's never done any of these rides, so we want to do everything together. And then maybe if we decide we want to do it separately or not be in the same car, then that would be okay. But for this morning, we are standing in this line. I'm going to tell you how long it takes us. Every minute counts when you're trying to rope drop. We're moving. It's 8 o'clock. People are going to split off. They're going to split off and go left. We're going to keep going towards Carsland sign. Everyone is turning left to get in line for racers. I guess to stay to the right. This is where the line stops. So all those people wrapping around the corner and inside the queue. This is what you're waiting for racers. Even every minute counts. If we had been here sooner, we would have gotten in closer in. But this is your line, just be aware. This is by far the most popular attraction here at Disney California Adventure, which is why you can see the lines. They are so long this morning. Let me just give you an idea. Throughout the day, I will check the app and I will see what the wait times are. Right now it's saying 100 minutes. I'm gonna let you know how long we do end up staying or waiting in line. But here's the deal with this particular attraction. Like I mentioned, there's a few ways you can skip the line, single rider or buy a single pass lightning lane. But if you're a family of, I don't know, 4 or 5, that can get expensive. So you've got to get here first thing in the morning when the ride opens. But we had, like by the time we got through security and parking and all of that, I mean, we didn't get through the gates of Disney until 7:40, which you're already running to, you're behind the big crowd. So that's why this wait time is so deflated and so long right now. We did get here for rope drop, but every minute counts. Like I can't say that enough. So what I would recommend is you shoot to be at the gates to go wait in line for 30 minutes because they won't let you in until 7:30, but you're at those front of those gates at 7 so that you're one of the first people in at 7:30, so you're right up next to that rope when the rope drops and they let you get on the line for racers, because those people are already on the ride and will soon be off the ride. Those are kind of my recommendations. I know that racers isn't a popular attraction, but you've definitely got to kind of have a plan. And if you have strollers or an ECV, you will park them right here before you even get on the attraction. So keep that in mind. You can have your stroller in this big old huge line that goes way back down Route 66, but eventually what you're going to need to do is park your stroller. Right now they just said single rider line is only 5 minutes long, so that is an option, but we all want to ride together, and I get the families want to stay together. So if you don't want to do that option, but right now in the morning it is 5-minute wait. 110 it's saying. Just looked up, the single pass lightning lane is $23 today. So our family of 4 that's here today, that would be an extra $92, 23 times 4. But this kind of goes against all that I practice and preach to you guys. Don't wait in lines, don't waste your time in the morning. But this attraction, it really is no good time to do this ride. So we're here, we're gonna put in the time. Now it's shady, it is morning time, so I'd rather be standing in this line in the morning when it's cooler as well. You could wait and do this ride at the very end of the night. That would be an option. But what if your party's like, I'm done, we want to go home, and you never get to ride the ride? Single rider line, now that we've been standing in this line about 20 minutes, they're saying the single rider line is an hour. So this is a really popular ride. It is Wednesday of spring break, so keep that in mind as well. But I want you to have realistic expectations, because I can do rope drop. I can get 12 rides done in 2 hours in Fantasyland. But, hi Mom. But when you're trying to go on one of the most popular rides in the park, these are your options, and this is my best advice, is get here and just knock it out. Like, do it. It's a fun ride. It really is worth the wait, but oh, it's so hard to be waiting in this line. You do not want to be in the full sun in the middle of the day standing in that line out there. So I'm glad we're at least doing this morning. 8:57, so basically an hour to our car. We are getting in this line right here, and then we're getting on our cars. Exactly 9 o'clock, we're getting in our car. And we're off!
Luigi, give our friend your best.
If you go through the tire side on this attraction, I want you to look for this hidden Mickey. After you get your tires on, look to the right. There is a red tool chest. On the side of the red tool chest, you can see a hidden Mickey. Do you see it?
Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Uno for the money, due for the show. Three together ready, and quattro three.
Well, that was an hour and 10 minutes from the time the rope dropped, we got on the ride and got off. So it had, I think, 110 minutes, which is almost 2 hours is what the wait time was. But we are off and done, and we're headed over to do Incredicoaster. It's showing Incredicoaster has a 35-minute wait, but a lot of the rides are, long lines already. It's spring break. I can't tell you how much that affects the crowds because, man, there are a lot of people here. So we're gonna see if we can get done. We did not get Lightning Lane again today. And if you want, you can use Lightning Lane to help you move your day along. But if that's an extra added cost that you don't want to have or use or buy, then guess what? This is your option. So hopefully you've learned some stuff about Radiator Springs Racers, how to rope drop. It is available every day now. Everybody has the same chance. Back when early entry was still available, then you were competing with the early entry guests, but not anymore. So everybody has the same chance. So definitely put racers on your list when you come to Disney California Adventure. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please make sure you like and subscribe. I have more tips, tricks, strategies, and Disneyland content on my channel you can watch, or stay tuned. I have more coming.